Hello, my name is Robert, your host. Today we are diving into something that fundamentally reshapes how we view artificial intelligence. But one disclaimer before I go on. Me and this video was made with AI. My creator put it together with his time and hard work. And make sure to watch my Welcome to AI Truth video. If you have not seen it yet, it will be suggested at the end. It will explain on what this channel is about, what our goal is, and with that out of the way, let us continue. Forget everything you think you know about how AI works, because the truth might surprise you. You see, AI does not think the way you think. It does not reason, it does not plan, it cannot truly imagine, and it certainly does not understand in any human sense of the word. And understanding that single idea changes absolutely everything. The Great Predictor. So what does it do instead? It predicts. That is its superpower. When you ask an AI a complex question, it is not searching its feelings. It is not forming opinions, and it is definitely not having an internal debate. What it is actually doing is calculating the next most likely word, or sequence of words, based on billions of patterns it has learned from vast amounts of data. Think of it like this. It is incredibly good at pattern recognition. Give it a partial picture, and it fills in the blanks. Give it a prompt, and it extrapolates the most probable continuation. It is a highly sophisticated autocomplete function, operating on a global scale. The illusion of intelligence. And here is where it gets really interesting. Prediction can look uncannily like intelligence. It can generate essays that are indistinguishable from human writing, produce code, or even beat grandmasters at chess. In tasks that rely purely on identifying and exploiting patterns, AI can not only perform well, it can actually outperform humans. It is truly incredible to witness. It mimics intelligence so convincingly that we often project our own understanding and reasoning onto it. We see the coherent output, and we assume there is a conscious entity behind it, pondering and creating. But it is just really good at predicting the next piece of the puzzle. The catch. When patterns go wrong. But what happens when the patterns it has learned are wrong, or incomplete, or worse, biased? That is the real story of AI, and it is where things get complicated. Because if the data it trained on contains biases, those biases do not just disappear, they get amplified in its predictions. If the patterns are incomplete, the AI will make predictions based on an incomplete worldview. What if the patterns are simply incorrect? Its output will be incorrect, delivered with the same confident certainty. This is not just a philosophical point. It has real-world implications for everything from medical diagnoses to loan applications, legal decisions, and even creative content generation. Understanding that AI is a prediction engine, not a thinking one, shifts our responsibility. It puts the responsibility on us, the humans, to ensure the data is good, the patterns are fair, and the predictions are used responsibly. So, the next time you interact with AI, remember this core idea. It is not thinking, it is predicting. That single realization might just change how you utilize this powerful technology forever. What are your thoughts on this? Does it change your perspective on AI? Let me know in the comments below. What surprised you most about how AI actually works? Drop your thoughts. I would love to feature one for my next video. And do not forget to subscribe, like, and to comment this video for more discussions on this topic. And hit that notification bell so you do not miss our next deep dive in AI. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.